you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. I'm just working around I had to let the truck sit so long, the battery wasn't dead on it, the regular battery. I got the, let me make sure y'all can even see me. Let's see. Alright, so hopefully y'all can see me. But what the deal was, I had let it sit so long. Some reason on this truck is the drains the battery, not the lithium battery for the system, because that's separate. But I'm just working on it right now. I had to crank it up and let it run a little while, and that's really all I got going at the moment. But the main topic is the division in car audio. Really, that's, I want to discuss that. As far as let me know what y'all think down below or whatnot. Really, in my personal opinion, I don't really believe it's nothing really that serious to really say they don't like nobody too much about it. But everybody got their own opinions. But one thing I have noticed is wait a minute. But one thing I have noticed is people in the industry, they always tend to get to arguing. They may make up a little bit later, and then everything is good. So, which, that's why I tell people, don't get involved in business, with people, because, really that might be out of, if you don't have nothing directly to do with it, I would probably stay out of it. But it's kind of like you picking sides like a relationship. Man and woman into it today, and you pick a side, and they make up and they good tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? So it's best to me to stay out of it. But people have their own personal reasons why they don't like a brand, because somebody else had an issue with them. Excuse my language for this, but they got an old saying, I always hear people say, what the next person eat don't make you shit. You know what I'm saying? So that's really the case with this. When they got issues with them, that don't mean you got issues with them. Because at the end of the night, do it keep you from sleeping at night? No, it may not. Which in reality, on their behalf, they may have lost millions or half, whatever they may have lost. It may not be that serious to you. They may have lost a lot of money involved in that deal, whatever it was. That's a different situation versus just not liking somebody. We're kind of too old to be doing all of that, high school stuff, at the end of the day. Because at the end of the day, did nobody die? Did nobody lose a family member over none of this stuff? So it really ain't really that big a deal. Maybe I'm coming from a different place where some of you all may know what type of place I'm talking about, where people really lose lives and it's really that serious. You know what I'm saying? People die and things happen. You know what I'm saying? This is not street business. This is just business. That's really what it is. So it's really not that serious to the point where, it's worth arguing and falling out with each other about. Because it's like I tell some people, some of this stuff is just out your price range, out your budget, out of your, your income range, to be arguing about. These guys might be arguing over $300,000 that was spent that wasn't whatever the deal was or however much it was. And I've heard some of these conversations, man, and these guys spend a lot of money with each other and moving money around, so they can work that out. Let these owners work it out. If you like a certain brand, that's cool, but you don't have to be mad at another man because he like a certain brand. It's not that serious. So definitely, man, it's a lot of times, the fans of each brand like to get involved in issues that really don't have nothing to do with them, and that's really the way I look at it. It ain't really got nothing to do with you, so therefore just kind of stay out of it. As far as brand bashing, I don't really like that, you know what I mean? Because everybody starts somewhere. Everybody don't really start at the top of the chain. So as far as brand bashing, you may see a guy with some lower end subs or something like that, and it's not a purpose, it's not a reason to really talk down on them. You know what I'm saying? Just let them do what they do, and uplift them in the best way they can, because you never know. They may be down here today and might be up here next week. So anything can change overnight. That's the way I look at it. You can be Just like you can have no money this week, and then next week you could be a millionaire, or you could have more, whatever the deal is. So don't never really talk down on the base heads upcoming and just the ones who trying to make it, because sometimes this is a person's peace of mind. You know, you can have your own peace of mind by doing certain things, and some stuff, you know, relieve some stress, because, you know, everybody don't have it all up there. You know, you might be going through some things, you might be thinking some things that you shouldn't think, you know, but this might be your only escape. You know what I mean? Some people may be recovering drug addicts, some may be recovering whatever. You know, they might be just going through some things at home, or just got out of the pen, you know, and this is where they need to be, because this may be where they accepting me, and everywhere else they may not accept them. So that's, you got to look at it like that. And this may just be that getaway. So, you know what I'm saying, be somebody, you know, somebody else can lean on if they can. You know, like a lot of people hit me up in the inbox, they going through some things. Sometimes we get to talking about things that ain't got nothing to do with car audio. It's personal issues that they may be having. It out. If I could talk them through it and, you know, give them a little bit of advice and try to keep them going, I'm definitely going to try to do that. You know, because like I say, it's not about how much money you got or where you at in life, you know, because we all have up and down. So, you know, you can always be a help to somebody in the industry or just in life in general. Make sure you can do that. But like I said, the division in the car audio industry is not that serious, you know, so definitely don't fall out with friends and family or whoever else over this. You know, it's just all fun at the end of the day. They just subwoofers, amps, and just loud noise. That's all it is at the end of the day. So it's really not that deep to fall out with nobody over, you know. Sometimes people get into this differences, I guess I'm gonna say, and they start getting into personal stuff. You know, personal stuff you gotta leave alone. You know, I think that, you know, you leave personal stuff, especially when you're just having fun. You know, you don't start hitting below the belt. You just, you know, if y'all gonna talk a little crap with a little friendly fun arguments, let it be that. Don't start bringing people's personal lives into this, especially if you don't know the full details. Even if you know the full details, they may not be on you to pass the judgment on it. So definitely keep it all brief and just, you know, have fun with it, because a lot of guys that get out of the game because somebody got some issues going on. Oh, it's too much drama. If it doesn't have anything directly to do with you, you don't need to leave. You know what I mean? It's kind of like if you work somewhere, but then if you work at Burger King, but then they arguing at McDonald's, you know what I'm saying? That ain't got nothing to do with you. You wouldn't leave Burger King because they arguing at McDonald's, you know what I mean? So don't let this right here, these arguments going on amongst others, interfere with what you got going on and bring you happiness. If this bring you happiness, let it be that. Don't just leave because somebody over there is arguing. It ain't got nothing to do with you. Now, if it got something to do with you, that's one thing. But other than that, don't let it discourage you and stray you away from what you're doing to bring you some happiness. This stuff is expensive as it is. You know, and you have to get in the game, and then you may have to sell your stuff and just give it away because you may have some bills that you might need to pay, which is understandable on that behalf. You know, don't let it be because somebody's arguing over there, you know, over here, and it really have nothing to do with you. But if it does have something to do with you and you decide to leave, that's one thing. But don't let it be because somebody else arguing and don't got nothing to do with you. But y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all believe, you know, the division in the car audio. It's just one of those discussions. I try to keep it brief. I ain't gonna go too deep into it, you know, but y'all know what I mean. You know, there's always something going on with a lot of different people, you know, and I just stay out of it. You know, I try to keep it cool with everybody because it's not that serious. You know, it's just car audio. It's not the streets. It's not the, you know, it's not the hood. It's not the none of that. It's not the mob. You know, it's not nothing that serious. It's just car audio. Let's all keep having fun. Y'all be sure to like and subscribe, share the video. I'll see y'all back on the next one.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.